Hello Tubes, good morning, 31st of December 2016, and it's that time of the year again, as you can see. We're here on the beach of Scheveningen, beach resort of the Hague, and there's one of the huge bonfire piles, or vreugdevuur as we call it in Dutch, about 35 meters high, more than 100 feet. Let's see. Or do we get a close-up of that thingy? Oh yeah, we can. You see? World record for the Guinness book. Out up there. Still some people up there working. Well, tonight at around 12, or exactly at 12, this thing will be lit and it will be a huge fire. Let's see, a lot of Christmas trees. Nice and warm here. With a barricade of skips or containers. Coffee corner for the boys. Oh, still a lot of cars there. A lot of spectators making photos and vids. Well, the temperature ain't too bad, about 6 degrees Celsius. A lot of fog, as you can see in the sky. No snow. No snow expected, no rain expected, so it will be a good fire tonight. Let's see whether we can check out the other look in the distance. You see here, this thingy, there's the other pile. Yeah, can you see it? Sure you can see it, look. The flag is on top of the other pile, also more than 100 feet high. Next vid will be from there, right?
Kom eraan.
Bye Tubes, see you in the next vid. Bye bye.